This adorable little puppy was abandoned in our night drop with information that the former guardian was moving to an apartment. So that's why he's here. He's a Basset Hound mix, and he's about 3 months old. He got adopted very quickly, as you can imagine, because he's so cute and loving. But we sent him out to a vet to get fixed, and the vet discovered that he had a heart murmur. So we are working to find a rescue for this little guy, someone who can take care of him. He came to us a little bit underweight as well, but otherwise he's a playful, loving, happy puppy.